Whether you are a professional or simply want to do some DIY electrical project, you are more than likely going to need a crimping tool. Crimpers are tools that help you bind two pieces of wire together, which comes in handy when looking to establish electrical connections, but also in phone and network cable connections. So in this video we will discuss 5 best wire crimping tools. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Wirefy Connectors Crimping Tool. This crimping tool from Wirefy has been specifically designed for rapid productivity when working with common nylon electrical terminals. The color-coded die allows for quick positioning of the crimp, and double jaws create a high-strength connection. Light pressure holds the terminal in place without the operator needing to maintain grip. A star will set precise crimping pressure, which the ratchet action applies to double crimps quickly and with repeatable precision. The finished crimp is then auto-released once it's double crimped. The Wirefy crimping tool handles sizes from 22 AWG to 10 AWG. Well-cushioned, non-slip handles provide for high levels of comfort through long work periods. If there's a downside to this crimper, it's that the jaws don't swap out for other sizes or crimp styles. Product specs. Type, ratcheting. Range, 22 AWG to 10 AWG. Terminal type, best for nylon. Number 2. IWISS Ratcheting Crimping Tool Set. Anyone hunting for a dual crimping solution should check out the IWISS Ratcheting Crimping Tool Set. This set comes with a ratcheting crimper, 5 sets of jaws for a variety of terminal connections and wire gauges, and a set of wire strippers with cutters, allowing users to tackle just about anything. The IWISS crimping tools in this set feature a crimper with a ratcheting mechanism that creates double crimps in certain types of terminals, ranging from 22 AWG to 8 AWG. Once the crimpers finish the double crimp, the quick-release handle opens automatically. Also, swapping the crimper jaws is simple, requiring the user to simply press the spring-loaded pins to swap them out. Other than the fact that this kit might be too large to keep in a toolbox, it's a good crimping tool for DIY use. Product specs. Type, ratcheting. Range, 22 AWG to 8 AWG. Terminal type, nearly universal. Number 3. Titan Wire Terminal Crimper Tool. Busy professionals and enthusiastic amateurs will both appreciate the ease of use, repeatable performance, and excellent value of this Titan Wire crimping tool. It's designed to handle the common insulated nylon terminal type with cable diameters from 22 AWG up to 10 AWG. The double crimp die provides extra cable security. Jaws are color-coded for rapid identification and high productivity. The ratcheting action provides great control when tightening and can generate tremendous power, yet the action is light so hands won't tire quickly. That's helped by ergonomic handles that incorporate a useful quick-release lever for those occasional jams. Also, one of the handles features a quick-release mechanism that activates after double crimping. The only drawback of this crimper is the jaws are not adjustable or swappable for other sizes or terminal types. Product specs. Type, ratcheting. Range, 22 AWG to 10 AWG. Terminal type, nylon. Number 4. Klein Wire Crimper Tool. Klein Tools is primarily a brand of small yet highly effective tools that do not cost much but still make for a great heavy-duty option. This Klein Tools 3005 CR wire crimper comes at the 3rd position of this article because you get a high value for money with this all-rounder offering. Even at the given price tag, you get a total of 3 cavities with this wire crimper. Because of this, you get the support for AWG 10 to AWG 22 sized wires, allowing you to easily work on most wires with ease. Another great thing about this wire crimper is that you get a 1-year warranty and a pretty sturdy build quality with it. However, this wire crimper is a bit on the larger side, which not everyone may prefer. Best features: compatible with wire sizes of AWG 10 to AWG 22. Offers a total of 3 crimping cavities. Comes with a warranty period of 1 year. Number 5. Haisstronica Crimping Tool. Haisstronica is another small and a fairly new brand of wire crimpers in comparison to most other options out there, which you should still consider if you wish to get an all-rounder option. You will find the Haisstronica wire crimper to be quite similar to most other options offered in its class that have a similar pricing. For starters, you get a total of 3 crimping cavities with this wire crimper. And just as you would expect, these 3 crimping cavities allow you to get decent compatibility between multiple sizes between AWG-10 and AWG-22. You also get a 1-year warranty and a great build quality with this wire crimper. However, the sturdy build quality does result in pretty heavyweight for portable usage. Best features: compatible with wire sizes of AWG-10 to AWG-22. Offers a total of 3 crimping cavities. Comes with a warranty period of 1 year. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.